guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very fun video because tomorrow Orange is the New Black is coming out. Every year before this one I used to binge watch the whole season before the new season came out. This year I didn't really have time to do that, but I still wanted to celebrate in my own way by doing a munchies from the TV shows. Well, you know how it goes. Munchies from the movies for Orange is the New Black. I've done prison recipes before on this channel. I did the neutral loaf, which wasn't very good, but it wasn't supposed to be good. So we're gonna try something the inmates make that isn't issued by the prison, but you can get all these things from the commissary. Of course, I did kind of change some of the items a little bit. So instead of nacho cheese Doritos, we're gonna be using Blaze, and we're gonna be using the chili top ramen. And instead of Cheetos, I'm going to use some Takis because I feel like they're very similar in sense that people do use like the Flamin' Hot Cheetos. This will be pretty identical. And instead of Slim Jims, we're going to just use half of a field roast Chipotle sausage. So it is not going to be 100% authentic, but it is going to be 100% plant-based and vegan. So let's try it out. I'm excited to see how it goes because everyone I've seen make this on YouTube really enjoyed it. So we'll see. I'm not gonna make any judgments until I taste it. For the people I've seen make it online, they use more of a smaller bag of Doritos. So I just took about half of the Doritos out, and we're still gonna use this bag to make them. And the first we're gonna start by just crushing these, and you just have to be delicate not to get a hole in the bottom of the bag, since this is what we're going to be cooking everything in, so let's just be a little delicate about this. I think we're there. Let's take a look. You see, got them all crumbly and like, so we're ready for the next step. So next I'm going to crush up these Takis. I feel like this is about the amount you would get in like an individual packet, so let's go ahead and do that. This is going to be harder, because Takis are tough. How do I do this without breaking the bag? This is hard. I don't like this. This is taking some time. Okay, I think this is good. I mean, there's some chunky parts, but I'm honestly over this. So I think I'm just gonna toss these in. But you can see it's pretty crumbly. We're almost there. But I'm over it. So let's just toss this in with the Doritos. I'm gonna shake this up a little bit. Maybe, oh, there's some chunks in there still. Yeah. Okay, I think it's good enough. So next we're going to take some top ramen and crush that. Okay, I'm going to take the seasoning packet out, just put that on the side. I feel like I need to crumble this more, but since this wrapper is so thin, I'm just going to do it in here with the rest of Doritos. Ooh. Super crumbly. Oh, see, something's happening. There's like a hole, I think. Or maybe I just had the top open. So, let's take a look at that now. I don't know if you guys can see very well, but what is life? Okay. These ramen pieces. Now I'm going to take half of the seasoning packet and add that. Ooh, it smells spicy. I think that's half. It's going to be a hefty burrito. Ooh. I think the seasoning is all incorporated. Okay, and so we're gonna add the sausage, mix that in. So let's go ahead and add some of this water. This is hot water. I had it boiling before I started this, so it should be fine. I don't want it to melt. Oh, oh, it's hot. Oh, it's warm. She is hot. Okay. I don't want to add too much water. Oh, I feel like I added too much water. Oh, it's hot. So I guess we're gonna just like take this down. Make it kind of like a burrito shape. I feel like I definitely added too much water, but we'll see. We're gonna wait 5 minutes and see how that goes. It's really solid. Like, it feels like a lot of food. Is it leaking? I don't think so. Gigi, do you want to try this? Come here. Look how big she is now. She's like a full panther. Go. Don't drink that. I thought I added too much water, but now that I'm feeling it, it's coming together pretty nicely, I think. So I think I added the right amount of water, but I couldn't really find a recipe for this, obviously. I mean, there's like every single video I've seen of people making it, everyone does something different. But yeah, it's feeling pretty solid. It doesn't feel very liquidy, so I think we're gonna be okay. You're curious? I'm curious too. She's like, I don't know how I feel about this. I've also seen people eat it with some mayonnaise and ketchup, so I have those out too. So I'm gonna try it with those and see how that turns out. Okay, it's time. It's the time. Let's see how this goes. Okay. Maybe I could have added more water, but doesn't look too bad. So there it is. There's our prison burrito. Look at that. Can I pick it up without it like falling apart? I don't know. See, it's already falling apart. So either I didn't add enough water. That's probably what happened. I probably didn't add enough water. So let's try it without any sauces first. Let's try the bottom, because the bottom looks like it's the right consistency. Yeah, it's going everywhere. Would I eat all of this? No, because I feel like it definitely tastes like chips. It definitely feels like junk food. But it's not bad. I would eat this. Let's try it with some ketchup. Just a little bit. It's pretty good with the ketchup too. Okay. Try with some mayonnaise. It is a little spicy. Like, it's not intolerable for me, but I feel like a lot of people might say it's too spicy because you taste the Takis and the Blaze flavoring. So there's a lot going on. Okay, let's try it with the mayonnaise. I like it better with the ketchup, but it's not bad with the mayonnaise. I actually like it. Like, I feel like trash, but I'm sure I'm gonna feel like crap later, but it's pretty good. I mean, it's carbs on carbs on carbs on carbs, so how can you really go wrong? I like how I said I wasn't gonna eat much of it, and I'm already like powing through it. Was that a term, powing? It's really pretty good. Like, Definitely feel like tastes like junk food. But I think it's worth a try. I mean, it was fun to make. It was really fast to make. This might be fun to show like your friends and family, hey, want to try some prison food? I'm not mad. I'm not mad. This is pretty good. I'm already eating way more than I thought I was gonna eat, so you know it's pretty decent if you keep wanting to have another bite. Overall, this was a success. Now when I end up in prison for something, it's gonna happen, I'm sure. I don't know for what, for something. Okay, I really need to stop. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if you're excited for Orange is the New Black, because I'm excited. I'm sad it's the last season, but happy that it's all coming back together and seeing how it goes. Just to let you guys know how much I love the show. I think if you've watched some of my videos, you've seen my chameleon by now, and her name is Pusey from Orange is the New Black, so definitely excited, definitely pumped. Might make this for some friends the night it happens. I don't know, because this is actually worth a try. It's one of those things you don't think you're gonna like, and then you keep wanting to eat a little bit more. Definitely starting to feel a little crappy though, because I ate a lot more than I was expecting. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.